they don't do things in a small way in Los Glaciares National Park. Not only is the park the largest national park in Argentina, it is home to the largest ice cap outside of Greenland and Antarctica, an ice cap that feeds 47 large glaciers. The most famous of these is the Perito Moreno Glacier. The park is also home to Lake Argentino, the largest in the country. While the glaciers are located in the southern section of the park, the northern section features majestic mountains, such as Mount Fitzroy, offering hiking and mountain climbing.